Hi, crafty friend. It's Justine Dvorak from Stationery by Justine, where when I craft, my world stands still. Today, I am so excited because we are making a teacher gift card surprise pocket card. Today, I'm pumped because this means we're almost finished with the school year if we're making teacher gifts, right? Yes. So, what does your teacher really want for the end of the year? Well, I cannot speak for everyone, but what I like is a handmade card from my students. I think that is like the sweetest thing in the whole world. So, I also appreciate a handmade card that an adult made because I love cards. So, plants are good too. No, I'm just kidding. But really, cards are great and gift cards are also lovely. So, we're going to make a little gift card pocket here. Look at that, easy as can be. It took me literally a minute and 15 seconds to do. And I used a die from Pajama Stamps, and it comes with extra fun dies. Look at that. I just shoved my business card in there, but boom, there you go. And gift card fits very well in there as well. Now, the gift card die does come with a ladybug and flowers. So there's lots of fun things you can do. That simple pocket that I made with the die, there's seriously so many possibilities you can do with that. You can decorate it however you want. And today it's going to be a hidden gift card, but there's going to be a secret pocket for a card from the child. Now I'm using this pattern paper that is from my stash. It's 100 years old. Just kidding. But it kind of nods to the teacher, right? And if you did not know, we are celebrating Teacher Week at Pajama Stamps in May. So that will be coming up, and it might be happening when this video goes up. You just never know. But be sure to check out the Instagram from Pajama Stamps. There's lots of things going on all the time over there. So it's hot and poppin' and lots of fun things. So be sure to check that out. But now I'm going to make the surprise pocket, and I'm just using some foam strips. Okay, when the card is finished, you won't be able to see this pocket, but it will be there. Now, let's talk about the sweet little girl who is on the right of my screen. Look how sweet she is. I colored her up. She is a stamped image from Pajama Stamps called Flower Child, and I love this image. I think she is so, so sweet. And I had a lot of fun coloring this gal specifically because of her jeans. I really have been having fun with coloring and just getting all of my creative markers going, you know? Now, I did take that foam off because I forgot I need to stamp. And this sweet little stamp that says, we're going to read it in a second. Be brave, be bold, be kind is also from Pajama Stamps. And I am positioning it in the top right of the card because I want our sweet little gal to be looking up at it because I think that is so adorable. It's like she's the little student, if you will. And you could color this little gal like whatever child is in your life that you need to make a teacher card for. Isn't that so sweet? You could even stamp the gal out and have the child color her. Just saying. Now, this little pocket is going to go right on top of the card, like so. The top is open. And do you know what teachers love? We love reading. Specifically, we love books. So a bookmark would fit in this pocket. Did you know that? Now, this card is not a standard size card. I cut it down just a teeny bit. It's not measured. It's just a little bit smaller than a 5x7 card. Now, our flower child, she does fit very well on an A2 size card, or she fits on a 5x7 card. Now, like I mentioned, the gift card holder die does come with a flower die and a ladybug. So what I have done is I have taken that flower die, with some of my watercolor paper, and I have die cut out 3 flowers. I've cut 2 of them in half. Now, I want my little cluster there that my reverse tweezers is holding. That is going to be the top of the project, right? So I'm just going to take some craft tape and tape that in place. And then I'm going to sneak these other flower halves and chop them up a little bit more and sneak them around the back. And I'm not gluing any of the top part of this down. So I'm just positioning this, lifting it up, sneaking those pieces in, and just making it so it looks like there's a whole bunch of flowers behind her, but actually it's only 2 that are cut up. Little trick to stretch those paper goods a little bit more. And this one I am going to cut one more time. But this is just such a fun way to make teacher gifts. I think that everyone loves a gift card, right? I think you should normalize giving a gift card as a gift. It is not impersonal if you give a gift card with a handmade card, right? Or you can have the kid make it. I don't know. I think gift cards are fantastic, and having a simple die like this one to make gift card holders for is even more wonderful because you can decorate it. You can put it in the inside of your card. You can kind of hide it like I am on this card here. Really, you can just decorate the gift card holder and have that be your handmade item. So lots of possibilities for that. Now that I have all the background flowers in position, I'm going to take some tape again and just tape them in place. Now, these products are all from Pajama Crafter Stamps, like I said before. I do have everything linked down in the description, and I would love to invite you to check out the Pajama Crafter Stamps YouTube channel. There's so many wonderful, talented people who are on the design team for Pajama Crafter Stamps. Some people work with new release stuff. Some people work with previously released stuff. Some people blog. Some people make videos. It's just so much inspiration. You've got to check it out. So I have everything linked down below, and I invite you to be inspired, my friends. It's fantastic. And they are creating so many really, really cute stamps. If you have not watched any videos that I've done with the T-Rex, I will link them after this video is done. So you can see, but they are just really, really cute stamped images, and you can color them however you want. So this gal, I just colored how I wanted, but like I said, you could customize the clothing color, the hair color, eye color, skin tone, however you want to be looking like either the child who's giving it or maybe the teacher. I don't know, whatever you want to do. You can customize it, and it's just such a sweet thing. Now, do you see the little ladybug on the top right? That little ladybug also comes with the gift card holder die set with the flowers and everything. It all comes together. It's called Ladybug Gift Card Holder. So it comes with a cute ladybug, and I have die cut out the ladybug with some glitter cardstock, and I thought, would it be cute on the front? And I think it would if I had 3 of them. But I also thought it might be a little too busy because the girl, the flower child gal, she is like the star of the show on this card. Really, I think she's just more than cute, more than cute. So we're going to put the ladybug on the inside because the ladybug needs a moment as well, but also not on the front. Okay, so I have my card base. Like I said, it's just a tiny bit smaller than 5x7. It's okay. You do not need to make standard size cards. You can put this in a 5x7 envelope. You might even be hand delivering it. It might go in a gift bag. It does not matter. You do not need to have specific measurements on your projects. I'm holding your hand. I'm telling you this, friends. It's going to be okay. Okay. So at this point, I thought, okay, let's try the gift card holder. Whoopsie. Yeah, the foam is blocking the whole entrance. So we're going to do some card surgery here. Everything is okay. I need to remove a little bit of the foam, and we're going to be all good to go. Now for the finished card here, I am going to show you what this card looks like with an actual gift card holder, a gift card in there, not my business card. So you can see what it looks like, and it fits perfectly. And it's snug, but not too tight, if that makes any sense. So your gift card is not going to fly out of there. And it also will not be a wrestling match to get it in there, if you know what I mean. And then did you see that little secret pocket back there? There's a boring bookmark. I could decorate one in the future, which I probably will, but you could stick anything in there. A little note, whatever you want. So there's my finished card. Let me know what you think about this one down in the comments, and be sure to like the video if you liked or learned anything here today. Thank you so much for being with me, and be a blessing. Bye, crafty friend.